Finding a lawyer can be difficult, but if you know what questions to ask, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to find the perfect attorney. With a few simple tips, you'll be ready to make the best decision. Today's guest will give you some great insight on finding the perfect attorney for your needs.
Have you ever wondered how to get the right immigration attorney for your particular situation? The problem is that finding the right immigration attorney can be difficult. If you make a bad choice, you can end up spending a lot of money without good results. In fact, very often I find myself with people who are left with little or no hope simply because their cases were not handled properly many years ago. This is even more important today when people are scared about immigration. Fortunately, it doesn't have to be that way. You just need to ask the right questions to get the information you need to choose a good immigration attorney. Here are a few tips which can help you. First, get references. The best way to do this is to ask people you know, maybe a family member, a friend, a colleague, or someone else that you know has worked with an immigration situation in the past. Ask them what they liked or disliked about working with the particular attorney they used, and most important, what were the results. If you don't know anyone who's used an immigration attorney in the past, go online, look for reviews that tell you something about other clients' experiences. Second, immigration law is very, very complicated. Many attorneys practice in different areas of law, and only a few attorneys just specialize in immigration cases alone. Try to find an attorney who specializes in immigration. Then, once you've found that attorney, ask questions. Find out what kind of immigration cases that attorney specializes in. For example, if your concern regards deportation or people who are not in this country lawfully, find an attorney who is experienced in these type of cases. You can ask whether that attorney has had experience with the immigration courts or has done appeals in the circuit courts. Ask the attorney what kind of experience they have had. A completely different area of immigration law involves employment cases. In that case, ask the attorney what their experience was and what kind of results they had. Other attorneys deal with business and investments. Again, you want to find an attorney that specializes in a particular area or has had experience in those type of cases. If you have been told by an attorney or you know that your case is particularly complicated and difficult, find out if the attorney that you're speaking to has had experience with particularly complicated and difficult cases in the past, and find out what the results were. Next, you can ask the attorney, or you can yourself check with the state bar whether the lawyer is a certified specialist. California, for example, has a certified specialist designation which requires an exam and proof of experience in immigration and nationality law. Many other states also have this certification. It's not necessary to be a certified specialist, but it's one way you can check that the lawyer who you wish to hire has the experience and the knowledge to handle all aspects of immigration law. Once you've determined that the attorney you are considering hiring has the knowledge and experience of immigration law, then you should take the time to meet with that attorney. The important thing is to determine how comfortable you would be working with that particular attorney. The relationship between a client and an attorney, in particular with immigration cases, is very similar to that between a doctor and a patient. You should feel comfortable in confiding all of your information with that lawyer, and you should feel that the lawyer respects you and treats you courteously. My name is David Gardner. I'm certified by the State Bar of California as a specialist in immigration and nationality law. Our office is located in Los Angeles, and we serve clients from the greater Los Angeles area as well as out of state and in fact throughout the United States. If for some reason you are unable to come and meet us in person, we conduct interviews by Skype. We do this sometimes in many parts of the world and are able to communicate with you wherever you are. I'm supported by a great team of immigration attorneys and immigration assistants. Each of us is bilingual in Spanish, and we're also able to communicate in other languages with the assistance of translations. Our office handles all types of immigration cases, whether it's complex or straightforward, whether it involves high net worth individuals or EB-5 investor cases, employment or H-1B visas, or representing undocumented persons in the very complex area of immigration, defense, and deportation work. Each of our clients is important to us, and we value our client relationships. If you have any questions about immigration law and would like to speak to an attorney, please call the number you see on the screen. We'll endeavor to meet with you in person, or by phone, or by Skype. We look forward to meeting with you.
There you have it. Things are already looking brighter, aren't they? All it takes is the right professional. Are you hoping to learn more? Our guest can be reached by calling the number on your screen. Thank you for your time.